Let's make a classic cocktail with a holiday twist, an Eggnog White Russian. Now this cocktail only needs 3 ingredients, Kahlua and vodka, but I'm using whipped flavored vodka for this version, as well as eggnog, which takes the place of the cream in a normal White Russian. It's not usual to rim the glass, but I decided to do this because I had some of this material left over from my eggnog and Bailey's cocktail, so I'm just going to make a nice little brown sugar rim on this glass too. Then I'll fill the glass with ice and it's ready to go. We're just going to measure each of the ingredients, and I am using these shot glass size measuring cups. It's an easy way to measure out your cocktail ingredients. Just measure each one in. You can see how easy it is to tell on the side of the glass how much you have in there. The eggnog I like to just layer over the top of the other ingredients, and I'm doing it a little bit slowly because it's kind of one of the fun parts of a White Russian is that this sometimes makes these interesting little designs in the glass, if you will. In this case, it looks like I'm forming little icicles or something of eggnog, just kind of dripping into the glass. But once that eggnog is in there, this is ready to serve. You can stir it if you'd like, or what I like to do is just place the little cocktail stirrer straws right into the glass and let the person who's going to enjoy it do their own stirring. Stir away until it's all smooth and ready to sip. I hope you give this a try. Like I said, it's a nice fun twist on a classic cocktail. It's delicious, it uses eggnog, and I think if you try it, you will love it. Enjoy, and happy holidays.